Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to show you the July 2022 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month is our bigger kit that comes out each and every month. It includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So everything you need to start creating. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and sip while you go through your kits or while you create with our design team. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team designs for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and you'll have a full color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. Also, as a subscriber, you have access to this free exclusive cut file. This month is this awesome 4th of July cut file from Cut to You. So be sure to grab it and use it while you create with your kits. So let's dig in. I'm excited to show you each and every one of these 4 collections this month. Our first collection is from Doodlebug, and this is My Happy Place. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. If you love your colored cardstock, then you'll want to add on the cardstock add-on, and you'll receive some colored cardstock that will coordinate very well with this collection. This first pattern paper is Garden Party, which is a black polka dot with a black scalloped border around it. So there is a great background for you. The back is this small floral print on the black. This paper is Garden Girl, which is the bright, fun flowers. The back is a rainbow striped. This paper called Enjoy the Ride, which is an aqua print, and then the back is bicycles with little florals, and the bikes have a little basket of flowers on them, just super cute. Just definitely Doodlebug with all of the fun, bright colors. So one more look at your pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to receive a variety of die cuts. This is from the Chit Chat, the Bits and Pieces, and the Odds and Ends packages. So it is jam-packed full with large pieces all the way down to little. These will vary among the kits, but this is a good sample of what you'll get. You're going to have some that have words and then icons and banners. You're also going to receive some puffy hearts. Now, these are not the ones that will be in your kit. They hadn't arrived at the time that the kits were ready to film. So if they come in, it will be the Doodlebug puffy hearts. If not, it will be something similar, and it might possibly be enamel hearts. But one way or the other, you'll have some little sprinkles of hearts to embellish. So that is Doodlebug, My Happy Place. Our next collection is Live and Let Grow from Jen Hatfield. This collection's so beautiful. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of vanilla cardstock. Love that color of cardstock. For your pattern papers, you'll get this one that's called Wildflowers, which is just wildflowers on that periwinkle blue background. The back is a plaid in all of the different colors. Full branding strip of those florals. This one's called Sunshine. So it has all of the sunshines in a block grid. Well, actually, I guess it'd kind of be a diamond if you turn it this way. The back is this kind of, again, periwinkle blue. It's a wave print. Full branding strip of the other one. This paper is called Pansies. And it has the florals on that light blue background. And the back is a purple kind of grid design. Well, actually, I guess it's kind of like woven. It looks like stitching through fabric. And then the plaid and a smaller print on the back. So all my girls that love purple, this is the collection for you for sure. So that's your pattern paper. For your embellishments, all of these are going to vary, but you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So I have this one. Be perfect for envelopes or greeting cards, and then also several that would be great for embellishing on layouts. And then you're going to get some of the die cuts. So this collection is all about the florals and just kind of laying back, relaxing. And then you'll get 4 puffy heart stickers. The colors will vary. I got the kind of corally orange color. So that is Jen Hatfield's Live and Let Grow. Our third collection is Round Trip from Maggie Holmes. So this is supposed to have like a vacation road trip kind of theme, but it's true to Maggie Holmes. Lots of florals, lots of wide range of icons, so you can document just about anything. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl cardstock. Look how great that matches. Your pattern papers, this one's Wanderlust, big, beautiful Maggie Holmes florals. Again, this collection's full of purple, so you purple gals, take advantage. We have a gingham plaid on the back in purple. This one, called Passage, is a diagonal stripe, all the different colors. The back is this geometric design in the gold yellow. I have this paper called Journey, which is the smaller florals with butterflies. And the back is a distressed blue. I love that paper. So one more look. Your embellishments will be 1/2 of the 6x12 stickers. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one that I received. Again, lots of icons. We have labels, words for titles. So mine has an airplane, cameras. Just a lot of fun. So that is Round Trip from Maggie Holmes. The final collection we're going to look at is Simple Stories, America the Beautiful. So this is all about July 4th and the reason that we celebrate our great country. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of Moody Blue cardstock. Pattern paper is this one called Star Spangled, which has all of the stars, different sizes. The back is a gingham blue print. This paper called Let Freedom Ring is the pennants with the flag print on that blue. And then we have kind of like the bandana print on the back in red. This one is Land That I Love, which has all of the fans made in the red, white, and blue. And the back is the cursive text that says Land That I Love with the red heart in between. Just gorgeous. So that's your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. Love this scalloped border down here. That's our flag. That's awesome. Lots of the little word labels, everything summer and 4th of July. We have the United States in this floral print, which is gorgeous. More of the fans that you could tuck in, pop up, and do all that. Some fireworks. Just some gorgeous icons. Simple Stories always knocks it out of the park. So that is Simple Stories, America the Beautiful. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons available if you want more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. Also check out our Shots of Life kit because it coordinates as well, so you can get more pattern paper and embellishments by adding the Shots of Life. Don't forget to download that free cut file and your recipe cards. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.